What's up, everybody? We've received this Dell. It's a Dell XPS. I think it's a 93 something. We'll put the model number up in the screen. So it's in for a keyboard replacement. The owner can't use a few keys, and this is a new keyboard that we're going to be installing. Yes, of course, it has backlight just like the original one. Yeah, and we're going to be replacing it with you right here. It's a fix, guys. The keyboard is fully functional. Our work is done. The letter C was not working. Enter was not working. They're all working now. V. All keys are working right now. I'm currently checking the ones that are not working. They're all working. And it's a fix, guys. Bringing laptops, MacBooks for batteries, keyboard, screen replacements, and casing replacements. We do it all as you wait. This one has taken around 40 minutes. It's quite a lot of work, but yeah, let's finish closing it up and hand it to the owner. Cheers.